Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to extensions. This gets you where recovery begins. Once there, enable developer mode so you can see ID and file locations. You should note the exact extension ID or the folder path if it was installed unpacked. If you have a backup CRX or the unpacked folder, make sure it's accessible now. This step prevents guesswork later and speeds up reinstall or manual file replacement, so don't skip it. You now restore the actual extension files. If you saved a CRX, drag it into Chrome, / extensions, or use drag and drop into the window. Chrome will prompt to add it. If you have an unpacked folder, click Load Unpacked and choose that folder so Chrome loads the extension with its current files. If files are missing, extract the CRX with a zip tool or restore from your backup once files are present. Reloading the extension will restore functionality. Finish by clicking Reload on the extension card and verifying it runs. Open its options to confirm settings. Make sure permissions are correct and check the console in Chrome. / extensions inspect views. For any runtime errors, this tells you why it might fail. If problems persist, clear browser cache and try again, or create a new Chrome profile and install there to isolate profile corruption. As a last resort, reinstall Chrome. Most recoveries succeed before that point.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.